Hi, my name is Ron Alford, and welcome to the Consumers Action Plan, where consumers become the insurance industry's worst nightmare because we're educated, not trained. Let's talk about windshields. Have you ever had your windshield replaced? The story is, to me, that there are 14 million windshields replaced every year across North America. And I probably would bet my last dollar that less than 5% of them are done correctly. Why? The reason is pretty simple. Most people buy discount insurance. They trust the insurance company to tell them what to do, and they don't understand how their car is built. So therefore they risk their lives by having somebody replace their windshield who's really not qualified to do it. Now, what does qualified mean? Qualified means you don't ever replace the windshield with just one guy. You don't ever drive a car after the windshield's been replaced for at least 10 to 12 hours. You never ever get an aftermarket parts. And the worst thing that can happen is, you know the glue that they use to put the windshield in? No, you don't know what it is. Of course not, unless you're in the business. I know the difference. There's good epoxy and there's almost epoxy. It'll hold the window in. What happens is this. When a car is wrecked and you have a front-end collision, the windshield is part of the car. The federal government mandates that vehicles are manufactured to fold up like a beer can around the passengers inside, which means that's why a lot of people get to walk away from wrecks nowadays, because of the way the cars are manufactured. However, if the windshield has been compromised by being installed incorrectly, most of them are, guess what happens when you have a front-end collision? The windshield pops out of the car and your passengers go right through it, or worse, you can get killed. The truth of the matter is, if you have your windshield replaced and it's not done in a shop under controlled conditions, you're risking your life. I'm Ron Alford, author of Car Insurance Secrets. Read it and I'll show you how to find the best insurance companies that won't allow that to happen.